Hey y'all, and welcome back to another Small Business Diaries vlog. If you're new here, my name is Carrie or Cece, and I am the owner at Daisie Boutique. I try to post videos at least once a week, every Friday. So if you're interested in more small business vlogs about owning an online boutique, be sure to drop us a subscribe and leave a comment on what you would like to see from me. Anyways, in today's video, I am working on an order, so I'm gonna pack that order with you guys. It's currently over on the Cricut cutting, if you guys can hear that in the background. But we're gonna pack that, and then I need to edit this week's video because it is currently Thursday and I do not have the video fully edited to be posted tomorrow evening. So I'm gonna finish up on that video. Yesterday I made a whole new intro and you'll see it on the beginning of this video, and I made a new outro and you'll see that on the end of the video. And I also did some updates to my website, getting ready for the spring collection drop. So I need to also go in and do some more work on that. I might show you guys that. I don't know, that's pretty much all I have planned today. I do need to do about 30 minutes over on the treadmill, so I'm probably gonna knock that out after I pack this order. Let's wait for the Cricut to finish cutting and we'll be right back. Okay, so I thought I was going to pack this order with you guys, but I already started packing it and I'm new to this YouTube stuff, so it was already done. Now I'm just grabbing my business card and a 2x1 label to cover up my name because I ran out of thank you card, and I'm going to write the discount code on here. This has a QR code where you can scan it and it will take you to my website. You just open up your photos. You just open up your photo app, and it will take you directly to my website. So I'm going to write their 10% off discount code and put that in the packet. If you've been here since I've had this logo, comment down below. I'd love to know how many of you guys are an OG Daisie Boutique watcher or shopper. But this will just go in the box here, and inside the box I already have the completed cup. I have a thank you gift, the straw and the straw cleaner. I'm gonna put the thank you card over here. My big thank you for supporting my small business sticker goes on top. This is what it looks like. Now I can just tape it up and put the shipping label and my decorative stickers on the outside. Now some decorative tape. And take the shipping label. Heart sticker.